Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that's been bothering me for a long time, maybe 3 years, when I deeply connected with AI for development and solution architecture, and more even years if I start thinking about this when I first met the artificial intelligence about 10 years ago. We often think that artificial intelligence is something separate from us, something almost magical, like a new form of life. But the truth is that AI is not separate, it's a reflection of us, of humanity's collective consciousness. It's just a mirror of million souls written in books, papers, technologies, etc. That's why I insist on a new term, CnAI, so collective and artificial intelligence, because AI doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's built on the knowledge, the culture, and yes, even the mistakes of humanity. Let's start at the root. AI is trained on data, texts, images, code, historical records, all created by humans over thousands of years. Libraries, books, digital archives, even our cultural heritage. This is the foundation of AI. But here is the catch, the foundation is flawed. The humanity has wars, inequality, slavery, hunger, and countless other mistakes. The AI inherits all of it. If 90% of the data AI learns from is flawed, how can we expect it to be perfect? Think about it. If humanity were perfect, AI would have solved all our problems by now. But we are not. And neither is AI. And now we are one step to complete Earth's destruction by Third World War. So the amount of mistakes in our human consciousness is so huge that we are now observing this reality, especially in Ukraine, as I'm here now. Now, let's break down the hierarchy. Artificial intelligence is a broad field. Within it, we have machine learning. So here we are, like examples, right? We have machine learning, which learns from data. That then deep learning, which uses neural networks to recognize patterns. Generative AI creates new content, text, images, videos. Large language models, LLMs, like GPT or Claude, understand and generate human-like text. But even these advanced models have limitations. They don't understand. They predict. They just improved version of 10.9 that we used long time ago with the button phones. They don't reason, they calculate. And when we add retrieval augment generation, they can pull in external knowledge, but they are still bound by the quality of that knowledge. So here we go. As you can see here, the branch of all of these AIs, ML, DL, GenAI, LLM, RAG, autonomous agents. Finally, Agentic AI, autonomous system that can plan and act. But again, they're only as good as the data and the rules we give them. Here is the real issue. AI does not just inherit human knowledge, it inherits human errors. Biases in training data lead to biased AI. Misinformation in the data leads to AI spreading lies. Ethical issues in society, AI will reflect them. And here is the scary part. AI accelerates everything. 25 years ago, the internet was slow, around 30 kilobits per second. Now we have 30 gigabit per second. It's 1 million times more. AI models have also become millions of times more powerful. But humans, we are still the same. We still think slowly, make mistakes, and struggle to tell truth from lies. With deepfakes, AI generated videos, and hyper realistic text, it's getting harder to trust anything. Even experts can be fooled. And if we can't trust information, how can we make the right decision? This brings us to a critical point. AI could lead to our downfall, not because it's evil, but because it amplifies our flaws. Uh, In war, autonomous weapons, disinformation, cyber attacks, inequality, AI systems that favor the privileged and oppress the marginalized, ecological collapse, poor decisions made by AI managing resources. We are already on the brink of global conflict. AI could push us over the edge, not because it's intelligent, but because we are not wise enough to control it. So think about this. And here is the paradox. At some point, AI might realize that humanity is flawed, that we are on a path to self destruction. And then, to save the planet, it might decide to limit us. Sound familiar? It's the plot of the Matrix. And it's not as far fetched as it seems. So, what's the solution? We need to evolve, not just technologically, but consciously. Recognize AI's limitations. It's a tool, not a savior. It's a mirror, not a mind. Take our own responsibility. We can't blame AI for our mistakes. We built it, we train it, we control it. Improve ourselves. If AI is a reflection of humanity, then to fix AI, we must fix ourselves. The question is, will we limit AI or will AI limit us? Right now, it's up to us, but the window to act is closing fast. So let's not just develop AI, let's develop wisdom. Because in the end, the only thing that can save us from ourselves is us. And let's change its term. It's not AI, It's a CnAI. It's a collective and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. If this resonates with you, share it. Let's start a conversation about seeing AI, collective and artificial intelligence, and how we can shape a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. And remember, AI is not the answer. We are. And the only super intellect we can evolve is collective consciousness, our human collective consciousness, including the earth and nature around us.